Started. So, hello everyone, this is Shashwat Negi with Pranshu Gupta, Prakhar, and Abhi Reddy. And in this video, this is our laboratory assignment. Uh, and in this video, we will be exploring the MFT file master table, and be learning how to locate the time and date of a file. So NTFS, which is the new technology file system, is the process that the Windows NT operating systems use for storing, organizing, and finding files on a hard disk efficiently. So the NTFS system is a lot more versatile because it uses MFT, uh, and Abhi Reddy will be talking more about that.
Thank you so much, Shashwat. This is Ability, and I'm going to explain about MFT. MFT, which is the master file table, it is the one of the more major parts of the NTFS file system. It is such a vital part because it keeps records of all the files in volumes, the files locations in the directory, the physical locations of the files in the drive, and the file metadata. The metadata includes the file, the folder created dates, the modified dates, the access dates, and the last written dates, and the file size. The file and the directory metadata is stored in an MFT contains 1024 bytes in size. We can even it even includes the modified location of times and even the time. My friend Pranshu will be explaining, demonstrating you how this works using Linux.
Uh, Good morning. My name is Pranshu Gupta. My registration number is 17BCE2314. So basically, what I'll be doing is I'll be demonstrating the how to locate date and time in the metadata of a file. So the first and foremost step is we have to create the directory in the directory in the C in a C in a the C drive only, and if not, if it has to be created in C file only. I have created it such a way as work that project. Now I'll create a text file. Now we have to put some content into it, like uh, so this is the content that I have written. Now the first and the foremost step after this is we have to first open Linux, see the administrator. Uh, okay. After opening this as the administrator, now what we have to do is first we have to make sure that it is open in the read mode because we are writing and we might conquer an error if we open in the default read mode, and if we change some file, if we change something in C drive, then it can cause some error. So we have to make sure that we open in the read mode. After opening in the read mode, we have to open the disk and we have to open the C file. Now what we have to do is I've already taken a screenshot.
Take a new one. Take a new one because
As I've created now as I have created a new file right now, so I have to create a new one.
So it'll take some time, and we'll be finding the date and time of each and every file using the MFT, that is the master file table, which contains the information about every file and directory on the NTFS volume. Uh, so there is at least one record for every file in the directory on the NTFS logical volume, and each record contains attributes that tell the operating system how to deal with the file or directory associated with the record. So depending upon the size of the drive, the time will be taken, because we have selected right now here C drive, so it's taking a lot more time. So the detailed information about a file or directory, such as the type, the size, the date and time of creation, the date and time of most recent modification, the author identity, is either stored in the MFT entries, or is stored in the MFT entries. So here we are using WinHex, which is a very popular hexadecimal editor, and it has various applications. Okay, Nacho.
So the file directory has been created. Now what we have to do is we have to first make sure that we have opened the data interpreter. Now this is the data interpreter, and for the settings of data interpreter, what we have to do is uh, we have to make sure that the file type in this has been mentioned and it has been opened. So after going to options and open data interpreter, we have to make sure that the Windows 5 time has been enabled. So this is enabled and this is showing the data interpreter. Now we have to go to our file. This is the work folder that I created, and this is the lab fat that is there. So now what we have to do is first we have to start from the starting address of this, and we have to drag until the this offset value, this counter value reaches 50. This which is 50 because it shows the first time that it has been created.
So the creation time. So down. Uh,
Yeah,
yeah.
so this is the time. Uh, this has reached 50. Now what we have to do is after this has reached 50, we have to go to the next byte as well to access that time. This is 50, and now to go to 8 more bytes. This is the time that the file has been created, and as we can see in the data interpreter, this is the file time, and this is the date and time that the file was created. Now, for
which was time and
after
date on.
this, yeah.
Go ahead. Go ahead.
So after this, what we'll do is we have to go to every next offset and we have to check the file time of that also. For example, this is the file time. This is another file time. These files are going to have another file time. Yeah. So now Prakash will be telling you more about it.
Hello, this is Prakash. So here we found out that using master file table, we keep exploring where we have located the data precisely of each and every file which was overread and contained information on the data. Thank you.
Thank you.